2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, 6.4 liter Hemi. It's got the stock converters right there, and an X pipe. And we installed some customer provided Jones JFP 3-inch. There will be a link in the description for both of them. And we kept the valves right there, and we kept the rear mufflers with the stock rear tips as it comes. So we'll let you guys hear in a second. As always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels? 112. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Oh wow, everyone's coming in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hell yeah. You can still hear it.